Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Expeditions Volunteer quest from the NPC Traveling Corate for the prep phase of the upcoming Call of Wheels event in Heartopia. So after you finish the Coastal Notice quest on here, you will unlock the Expeditions Volunteer stage that you need to complete the quest from any first, and after that you can just unlock this expeditions volunteer sign up, and then after you unlock this stage you will need to complete the quest from different town resident, and there are 9 quests in total, and in this tutorial we will focus on the traveling cormid. And then first just head to the his locations, this one, just talk to him like this, and then next just accept the quest expeditions volunteer, and then just tap on leave it to me, and then in here you just need to submit one food, just any food. So just submit one food, and then next just tap on submit, and just like that you will get the approval from the traveling cormid, and it will count to your expeditions volunteer progress. This one you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.